Good morning. We escaped the most dangerous of the storms. We had a lot of lightning, thunder. We had a good amount of rain and a little hail earlier in the day, but and a lot of wind. Did I say a lot of wind? But we came through all right. We had some extra coffee yesterday, so I saved that out. I decided today I want to make a black magic cake. I was actually on Instagram. My friend Christina, it was her birthday, and she made the black magic cake from my cookbook, and she was like, I'm not normally a cake person, but this is one cake that I really love. And yesterday when I had the leftover coffee, I was like, yes, I'm going to make a black magic cake. It's been a while. It is always a favorite because it isn't, even though 2 cups of sugar, it isn't overly sweet. And it's something about the coffee, I think, and the buttermilk. It just all blends and works.
Okay. I would like everything, but like.
Well, how do they work?
I don't know.
You're gonna have to go back and. Get wet. I'm not really sure. Huh? Peter's working on sharpening a knife. He got a little like portable
Blackstone sharpener.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been doing it on this side, like
okay,
on the coarse side.
Yeah.
And then he said just do the same on the
smooth one.
smooth side.
Been watching a couple YouTube videos here, see how they work. Do you have to get it wet, or so when they say whetstone, it's W-H-E-T, not W-E-T?
Yeah.
Do you need water?
I don't know.
No? No? Okay.
He said for some fine sides you can put oil on it though.
Okay.
Put oil on it.
I see. 350 degrees for 45 minutes. It was starting to just kind of like pull away from the side. Ooh, I hope this comes out well.
Ooh, brother, yes.
Oh, it doesn't want
That's good. There you go, there you go. Try to like pop out.
I kind of want it to lift and loosen.
Bum ba bum.
Oh, I don't know. I feel like it's stuck badly.
No!
Not bad, not bad. Just a little over on this side.
Oh yeah.
And that was even with the...
Can I eat that?
Yes, that was even with that floured baking spray.
Floured baking spray.
Baking spray.
Oh.
It's got like flour mixed in with the oil that sprays out. It looks pretty good.
If you put some glaze on it, they won't even know.
I usually just powder sugar this. Just
Yeah, they
add a
won't
little,
even know.
right, add a little powdered sugar and nobody will even know. And honestly, it's so yummy, nobody is even going to care.
Powdered sugar, that edge right there.
Right there. Right,
Yeah,
we're going to
I
let
need
this cool and get on to the library. The eggs are just a-coming right now. So today it was 10 eggs, but I only have 9 because one of them was broken. Yesterday it rained, so we had a couple of the eggs here today. We're just a little bit muddy. I got the eggs yesterday though before the rain. I went out there just before the storm started because I was like, I don't want the eggs to get all muddy. You know, the chickens start walking around and their feet get muddy and then they want to go sit and nest, and then you end up with filthy eggs. Good morning, everyone. This is pretty much the morning routine. Get up, drink a full glass of water, make coffee, and then figure out what workout routine I'll be doing this morning. I'm going to check this morning if Get Fit with Rick has a new video. He hasn't had a new one, nope, for a couple of months. He's really going in on like a membership right now. Still lots of videos to do of his, but not a new one that I haven't done. So I'll go to Coach Angel. She doesn't have a new one because I just did hers yesterday, but I will scroll way back. I'm working through the ones from a long time ago. Let's see. Okay, we just did that one. We did that. We did that. Okay, this is the one that I'm on. Right, strength and tone. Yes, I'm on that one. So today it's 14, just over 14 minutes. As I get set up here this morning, it's really loud. The irrigation engine is going. So the irrigation engine is running, which means you can see the sprinklers are all going. Warren had to start up the sprinklers. Even before bed last night, it got cold. And so that means that a couple of times during the night, like he went out once at around 11 or something, I think it was, just to make sure everything's running smoothly. You can get a plugged, you could get a plugged sprinkler head, and then the water wouldn't be getting through it properly to cover those cranberry vines in water. Look at like the fog rising from the pond, and then look at how it's like blowing in and blowing over the road. I come out every morning when I do my workout and look at the bleeding heart, and it's trying so hard. We're gonna get some really bad frost. I think Friday night Warren was saying it's supposed to get down maybe to 20, maybe a little colder. That's gonna be bad. I might have to put a sheet over this or something. I mean, bleeding hearts are pretty hardy, but I really don't want all these buds to get frozen off. Well, it's like the old days of homeschool, where Wednesday was our day. We did all the music lessons and we ran all the errands, and the other kids, my older kids, say when they got home they were so dehydrated because they never took enough water along. I don't know if they have good memories or bad memories, but anyway, today is starting out to be one of those Wednesdays.
Yeah.
We're going to a musical. So our local high school is doing a musical, and they do a dress rehearsal that they invite other schools, homeschool groups, things like that too, so they can get some good practice.
We're not the only ones that were late.
Yeah.
There are other people coming.
I'm sure lots of people are late. Anyway, we did a few of our errands, dropped some stuff off at the post office. Sierra, if you're watching, your video is on its way. Or sorry, your cookbook is on its way. Well, just like that, it's like almost 3 hours. Oh yeah, it's almost 3 hours later. The musical was good?
It was very good.
Yep, very good.
It a lot.
Did we say what it was? Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief?
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. And just like that, it is truly... Joe, come on. Come on, Joe, we're going in. So it's our errands day, and we are heading to Shoe Sensation. First off, looking for... here, let's fix your hair. Here, we're looking for sandals for Maria for the wedding. I did cheat. I looked online, and it did look like they had some that would work. These are actually really cute too. I know they're flat, but they're cute with that silver. I got a nose wrinkle on that one. You like those? Those are actually cute too, but they don't have that back.
Yeah.
Remember, that's the whole thing that we're kind of concerned about. Is this a size 5?
It's a 3.
Oh.
5 is huge.
Yeah, you need a 4 for sure.
Well, they don't have 4.
They don't have a 4. Did you try a 5 on? I am going to claim a purchase at a restaurant. using the Upside app. It is not just gas, you guys. A lot of you have messaged me saying, I don't really use the Upside app because I don't really need to use it for gas because I do something else to get cash back on gas or whatever. But I actually rarely use it for gas and only use it, or mostly use it for restaurants. It's nice when we're traveling. I can just kind of like, it'll search the area where you are. You can see if there's a restaurant that offers cash back, which is pretty nice. So anyway, we're gonna go into a Mexican restaurant here that we don't go to that often.
It has really good food, though.
I think Warren's not a huge fan of this place, but we actually like it, so lunch it is. Oh, thanks, it'll be just a second. Restaurant food's always fun to look at. What did you get, Peter?
Shrimp tacos.
And Joe, a huge nacho plate. Wow, that's enormous. And Maria?
A chicken taco.
Chicken taco? You almost have it gone. You must really like it.
I'm hungry.
And I got the fish tacos, and they are amazing. Amazing. We just got home, and I got a package, and I am thrilled to say I finally found the dress that I'm going to wear for Amber and Tony's wedding. You guys, if you have been following along here, we went to Macy's, remember, in Madison, and I tried and tried and tried and tried and could not find anything that, not even really anything I really liked. And the couple that I was like, they didn't have my size, so I wasn't able to get a good look of how they were actually going to fit. Anyway, look at this dress. Kind of like a sweetheart neckline, not too low, not too revealing. Let's see if I can show you guys how this looks. I'm not sure. It's not quite like the picture, and it probably, once I steam it, maybe the bottom is going to stand out a little bit more the way the picture shows. Totally a stretch lace. I love the sequins. Absolutely everything about this dress, and I have bought and shipped back and bought and shipped back a lot of dresses. We got home and Warren was filling the fuel tanks, a portable or the mobile fuel trailer, I guess we call it, so that he could go and fill the fuel tanks because he's now frost watched 3 nights in a row. He usually can get 4 nights on a tank, but he's always like, you know, you just don't want to run out of diesel in the middle of the night. He's like, I think another dress came in the mail. And Peter's like, really, Mom? Another one? How many has it been? I was like, a lot. But I am so happy. I learned something ordering dresses and sending them back. When I was ordering for Nick and Brittany's wedding, I didn't pay as close attention to the shipping, and I actually had some problems with shipping some things back. They were through Amazon, and so Amazon covered it and reimbursed me completely, even though the company wasn't going to. Everything worked out for that. So I just learned to really watch the fine print when it comes to the return policy when ordering things like gowns and, you know, that type of thing. All right, well, let me get back into my sensible clothes, and then I'm going to go out to the computer and I'm going to print out return labels for everything else that I ordered, because I found the dress. Well, we've been back to using the Blackstone again. We didn't use it a ton over this winter, did we? Not a ton. But anyway, we're doing some of these chicken burgers. I guess that's what you could call them, chicken burgers, chicken patties. They have like cheese and onions and peppers in them, so that is what's going down for supper tonight.